something. I don't think I like the sound of that music either.
도와준 공주들을 두고 도망가면 어떡해요? 나도 알아. 그럼 어떡해? 엄마한테 전화도 못하고. Hey, buddy. Get me the heck out of here!
Clap no more! Everyone go home! I hate my life! Go home! Poor Keswick! He was such an awesome dog! Or kangaroo! Or whatever the heck he was!